Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Madrasi Boy. So before I start the video, let me ask you one question. Which is the day every student is scared of? Of course, the results day. So from CBSE we have got the news that the results day of class 10 and class 12 students is going to get released on July 15, 4 p.m. So many students are scared. Some are sleeping, some are praying to God, some are just biting their nails, and some are just moving here and there, but most of them are scared. So today I'm going to make the video on types of situation every student faces during their results day. So let's go. We always have that one friend in our WhatsApp group who just before the results day texts results came. As soon as we read the notification, we get so scared that we start shouting at him. Then only we get to realize that he was saying did results came. In short, he was saying results came. Because of that friend, we got so scared, and then that friend should literally improve his English speaking skills and writing skills. I'm not gonna say his name now. During vacations, we go to foreign countries or else we go to our hometown. But the result timing is so perfect that as soon as we sit with our parents to eat food, one idiot will call us and say, Shuhaib, results came. Shuhaib, results came. How much you got? So, my father will ask, Shuhaib, what is your friend saying? Now, I don't want my father to know that the results came. So, I'll say to my father, Father, he's talking and discussing me about how much Virat Kohli scored, how much MS Dhoni scored. And then I'll be like, okay, I will talk to you afterwards. Bye, keep the phone. I know when will results come. I don't need anybody to say that results came or results did not come. I will see the news. Please don't do like that. Now as we get to know that the results came, we will go to our room, we will open our laptop and we will type the website's name, cbse.nic.in. The website which used to get opened just in a second, correct during results day it took 15 minutes to open. By the time the website was getting opened, my father was standing behind me with red stick. As soon as the results website opened, thap, he gave me so big shots that not even MS Dhoni will hit in cricket match. Good memories. Now by seeing our results, of course our parents will be very angry. Correct at that moment of time, our topper friend will come to our house shouting, Auntie, Uncle, I got 95%, here take some laddus, and then he will go away. Because of his marks, our parents will start shouting at us, Shuhaib, why did you get 85%? Your friend got 95%, right? Learn something from him. By hearing those shouting, I will get so angry that my mind says to throw the laddus on that friend's face with which he came. Idiot. Now I'm going to say something which is very accurate and which literally happens with every student. We already have so many relatives, but during result day, we get to know about more of our relatives we never knew. I mean our long lost relatives. No relative called me when I fractured my hand or when I was in ICU. But correct during result day, all the relatives started calling me. Shuhaib, how much mark you got? Shuhaib, how much mark you got? These relatives are so irritating that I feel to kill them and take half of their property. Now comes my father, whose logic is so good. He will say that he got 75% in his board exam. And then he will say that 75% was equal to 95% during his days, during 90s or 85s. Papa, if you are seeing this video, board results are exam results. They are not share market properties which will get increased by time. Now the main difference between boys and girls comes during results day. Girls, even if they get more than 90%, they will be very sad. They will keep complaining themselves why they didn't get above 90%, why they didn't get 98%. On the other hand, boys, even if they get 50 to 60%, they will be the most happiest person in this world. But it does not apply to all the boys and girls, only to some people whom I saw. So guys, this was my video. Hope you liked it. I pray to God that all the students of grade 10 and grade 12 score good marks in their board examinations. May God bless you all. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell notification. Thank you. Now the main difference between boys and girls comes during results day. Girls, even if they get more than 90%, they will be